this question, the following data with respect to the sedimentation tank was given. We have the volume of the tank is also given 20 meters, 100 meters and 30. So width is 20, length is 100 and depth is 3 meters. The flow rate is given as 600 meter cube per day. Flow rate Q is 600 cubic meters per day. That is equal to 600 by 24 cubic meters per hour. So detention time T is equal to, for a length of 100 meters. So 100 into 1 into 1 into 24 by 600, that is equal to 4 hours. So option A is correct. This question, the data that was given as a mass of soil coated with thin layer of paraffin wax weighs 690.6 grams and the soil alone weighs 683 grams. So the wax weight, the deduction of these two terms. When the sample is immersed in a water, it displaces 350 milliliters of water. The specific gravity of soil and wax is given. So what we have to find out in this question, the void ratio we have to find out for a given water content, the unit weight of water is given. So we have to find out void ratio. E is equal to volume of voids by volume of solids, we know. So first we have to find out these two terms. For finding out these terms, we are having the data that was given above. So weight of soil plus wax is equal to 690.6 grams. Weight of soil alone is equal to 683 grams. So weight of wax alone is going to be 6.4 grams. So volume of the soil with wax, volume of the soil with wax is equal to 350 milliliters is given. That is equal to 350 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, 350 cc, cubic centimeters. So volume of the paraffix, only volume of the wax we will find out by using the specific gravity that was given in the question. So volume of the wax, weight of the wax, divided by specific gravity g of wax into unit weight of water. So weight of wax we know 6.4, 0.89 specific gravity, gamma W we know 1 gram per cc. So that is equal to 7.19 cc. So volume of the soil alone we can find out 350 minus 7.19, that is equal to 342.81 cc. Volume of the solids, we know the total volume of the soil. Volume of the solids we have to find out. Solids, that is Vs. Weight of the solids, by specific gravity g of solids into unit weight. Weight of the solids we know 683, 2.73 into 1, that is equal to 250.18 cc. So we know that total volume V is equal to volume of voids plus volume of solids. From the three-phase diagram, volume of voids is volume of air, volume of water. These two terms, volume of voids and volume of solids, is Vs. So total volume is Vv plus Vs. So Vs we know, total volume we know. So Vv we can find out. Vv, volume of voids, is 342.81 minus 250.18, that is equal to 92.63 cc, right? So E is equal to volume of voids 92.63, volume of voids by volume of solids. From the equation 1 we can say, from the equation 1, volume of voids by volume of solids is how much? 250.18, that is equal to 0.37. So option A is correct. Previous question, we know that the water content is given as 17%. So what we have to find out? The degree of saturation of the soil. Degree of saturation is as we denoted weight of water by weight of soil. So we have to find out weight of water and weight of soil. Weight of water, we know that 17% of 690.6 total weight, that is 117.4 grams, and weight of soil is equal to 690.6 minus 117.4, that is a weight of water, so remaining weight is of soils, that is 573.198 grams. So degree of saturation S is equal to this by this, so 117.4 divided by 573.1, that is 2, you can say it as 0.2048 into 100 is 20.48 percentage. So option D is correct. Question is, a rectangular settling tank without mechanical equipment is to treat 1.8 million liters per day. This much of water has to be treated per day. The sedimentation period is to be 4 hours. The velocity of flow is given as 8 centimeters per minute, and the sedimentation period is 4 hours. That is detention period. We can say detention is 4 hours, and the depth of water and sedimentation water plus depth of water is sedimentation plus depth of water is 4.2. In that 1.2 meter is of sediment, so water depth is going to be 3 meters only. So what we have to find, what should be the length of the basin? Basin length we have to find out. So basin length of the tank, or basin length of tank is equal to flow velocity into detention time. That is equal to 8 into 4 hours is 4 into 60, that is equal to 1920 centimeters. That implies 19.2 meters. So option D is correct.